Enter the game-changing experience of decentralized prediction play. This is what Xenrena promises us. My name is Rita Omudiwe and I will be presenting on behalf of my team. Xenrena aims to revolutionize prediction plays by leveraging blockchain technology and smart contracts, whereby users stake cryptocurrency on the outcome of eSports events. This platform provides users with a trustless, transparent, and global environment to engage in prediction activities. Some of the problems being faced today include traditional prediction platforms have centralization problems and lack transparency and are susceptible to manipulation. Also, users often face challenges in trusting the outcomes and ensuring fair participation. And these are some of the solutions that Zenrena fixes. Xenrena is a Web3-based prediction platform that utilizes smart contracts and decentralized oracles. This ensures tamper-proof outcomes and provides a secure, transparent, and censorship-resistant environment whereby users take tokens and predict outcomes. So some of the benefits include the trusted environment, censorship resistance, fair and transparent rewards, and an enhanced user experience. Some of our key features include token stakings, whereby users can stake on the outcome of various esports events. Then we have our decentralized Oracle integration, whereby we fetch reward data for event outcome to ensure accurate and tamper-proof prediction results. Then the automated payouts, whereby users who stake are rewarded automatically to their wallets. Then we have diverse prediction categories, not just on sport events. Our target audience includes sport enthusiasts, crypto enthusiasts, gamers. So for the market size for prediction play market, revenue is estimated to grow at a 9.30% annual rate. That's the compound annual growth rate between 2023 to 2027, resulting in a market volume of 366.70 million US dollars by 2027. So the global market size, the total addressable market, is valued at 2 billion US dollars. And this is to let us understand that this market size, the prediction play market, is actually very, very big. There's a large volume in there, and it is a market that is very, very viable. So for the Nigerian market size, our serviceable addressable market, it is valued at 256.90 million US dollars. And out of that, Zenrena is looking at taking 5% of it to be our serviceable obtainable market. So these are my teammates, people that came together to build Zenrena. We are made up of a designer, front-end dev, smart contract developer, and myself, the product manager. So for our business model, it was segmented into three. First off is the staking fees, whereby users are charged a percentage when they stake on the platform. It can be in form of the amount stake or the potential wins. So for our subscription models, it includes whereby we introduce premium subscription tiers for users and they enjoy benefits such as reduced fees, exclusive access to certain events, or personalized analytics. Then for the licensing and partnership, whereby we collaborate with different sport leagues or teams, and then it can be in a form of B2B, and Zerena can be integrated into their already existing platforms, and revenues can be generated through licensing fees or revenue sharing agreements. In conclusion, Zenrena is a groundbreaking Web3 prediction play app that merges esports, blockchain, and transparent smart contracts with a focus on trust, innovation, and global reach. Zenrena aims to revolutionize how users engage with predictions in the gaming world. So thank you for listening. I'll be demoing the app now. So this is the homepage for Zenrena. We try to make it as user friendly as possible. So for a new user, you click on connect wallet. I've connected before, hence why it's seamless. MetaMask has access to this site, and then the dashboard shows up on the nav bar. You just click on it, you're on the dashboard. So users can see different prediction markets from esports, politics, finance, things in that regard. So as you can see here, these are some of the events. Then our esports news are there, whereby we feed users with different esports news that is going on in the world. So let's pick one event and stake. So you just click on stake, click on the which team you actually want to stake on. So let's go with A. I click on one. I want to take one. And we are currently using Sepolia to do this. So my MetaMask pops up. I confirm. And yes, coin successfully staked. And as simple as that, you staked. And what next is you look at the timeline. Once a timeline elapses or expires, then the winner of that event would actually be showcased. And if you staked and your team you staked on wins, then the wins for that event would automatically get transferred into your account. So this is also the profile page for a user. You can edit your profile if you want, maybe your username or something. Then you'd see your total wins, your staked volume, things in that regard, your top three favorite games. The more you interact with Xenrena, then your top three favorite games shows there. Then you see your recent activities, the the events you've staked on so far, they would actually be displayed on you. You have your live events whereby live events going on in the world are actually being placed there, and you have the opportunity to stake in that. So that is all for Zenrena. Thank you very much for listening.